In this video, I will be showing you how to connect Claude to Canva. Let's get started. Starting on the Claude homepage, I click the plus icon inside the chat box. I hover over Add Connector and select Browse Connectors to open up the integration directory. From the list of top connectors, I scroll through the options and click on Canva. On the Details page, I click Connect to Claude, which opens the Canva authorization screen. I review the listed permissions, scroll down to the bottom, and click Allow to link my account. Once authorization is successful, I return to Claude, where Canva now shows as connected, and I close out of the directory. To start using the integration, I click the plus icon again to verify that Canva is active. In the chat box, I type at Canva, followed by my prompt, asking it to create a logo for a home cleaning services business. Claude responds with a few quick questions to personalize the design. I choose the fresh and eco-friendly style, select the blue and teal color preference, and type in my business name, Home Care, Waycare. Claude immediately connects to Canva and begins generating tailored logo concepts. When the options appear in the chat, I browse through the carousel to see the different variations. I select the logo I like best to open a larger preview, and then click Open in Canva at the top right. After confirming the external link, my new logo opens directly inside the Canva editor. From here, I can select the background, open the color panel, and fine-tune the shades to perfectly match my brand. And there you have it. That's the complete process of how to connect Claude to Canva.